Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon. I have this rather interesting motorhome to show you today, and this from Chausson Sportline Trail. It will cost €71,000. It's 659 centimeters long, and what's interesting is it's only 210 centimeters wide. The S695 Sport 695. Right, coming inside, there's lots of space here in the living area. As I come to the back, they've got this really unusual, thinking well and truly outside the box layout for a side bed. Absolutely thinking outside the box. Next to it, we've got the wardrobe. We've got storage at the back, got shelves at the back, a window at that side, and there's a window behind me as well. Under the bed, you've got what it calls its clever storeroom. This will lift up, and might be a bit difficult to lift it up though, because the mattress is only in one piece. Oh, and guess what? I can't. So we'll just have to look at it like this. But you can see it's hinged there, and it should all come up together. And then there you can see into the garage as well. If you don't want to lift the whole thing up though, you can actually get in through here, and you've got a deep storage there, so wardrobe, and over here we have got shelves. Right, that's for your boiler, and obviously storage down there as well. And it keeps on going down and down. It's like a Russian egg, Russian doll. That's not Russian egg. There you are. There you are. So you're going to admire your technical infrastructure in your vehicle as well. Now the Oh well, good. So certainly carry stuff around. Two drainage points. We've got a false wall here, so I'll pull this out if I can. And that reveals your shower, which is there. Quite large. It's got the sliding door here. So in the kitchen we have sink, 2 burners. We've got here a fridge and drawer and cupboard below that. Kitchen extension, I think I said that. Got a place to, I'm not certain what you're supposed to do with that, but that's a place to keep things or what. Plenty of light coming through. Bear in mind, because we're at a trade fair, it might actually seem different because they're light artificial, but that here, we've got, this is a large thing. This has just been put in there for that, to show off the light at the event, but you can close this via this winder. A big screen at the front. We've got this rather unusual chair in here. Let's come out and have a look outside. I can't open that, sorry. So, door with 2 points for two storage areas. You can hang your coats on it if you want. You can also get as an option, you can get a door with a window in it. Let's see if we can get into the garage. It's enormous, absolutely enormous, as you probably saw earlier. Yeah, you can easily get, I would imagine, will the bike fit in the door? I don't know actually. But anyway, it seems to me so you can get a couple of bikes in there, provided they're not too high. Lashing straps on the floor. This stuff here is to make up a spare bed. I'd give that a miss. I think that this vehicle would suit somebody who would be living in the vehicle. Now, it's not a cold weather vehicle, even though it says here that they're giving away an Arctic packet worth 2,990 free of charge, geschenkt as a present. But yeah, close this properly. Okay, so I'm just seeing if there's anything here. I really do want to. This is the equipment it comes with, and so this is also what the sport line gives. So we have the Arctic packet is insulated wastewater, insulated and heated wastewater tank. It's got insulation material on the outside. It's got these mats that you put on for insulation for the outside, winter protection for the fridge, diesel heating, and heating for the floor. And that adds 33 kilos to everything. On the subject of which, it's got stacks of payload. 700 kilos plus. Okay, I think that's an interesting packet, in my opinion. So good. Let's have a look at some of the plus points to start off with. The plus point for me is the biggest plus point must be all that storage at the back. That bed is quite original. Normally, you think a side bed like that, French bed, as being something for to offer easy access. Well, that doesn't offer such easy access as it would be traditionally, but what it does give is a stack of space for storage, and that's really positive. Another thing is the height inside is also interesting, knowing that the bed is a long one. So another plus point. Well, of course, the bed is long at one end and not so long at the other. I'm trying to think of anything off the top of my head which would be negative. Not really. Obviously, at this price level, you don't expect a double floor, for example. So which would be good in the winter when you can have it. I think that's a very interesting vehicle. Good. Okay, that's my opinion. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you found that interesting. I upload every day at 21:15. This is the largest collection of motorhomes and campervans on YouTube. So if you're interested in this sort of thing, then you might want to subscribe. But for the moment, all the best from me. Bye for now.